tutorial video. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to lay a brick. Whatever you learn today, just replicate that for the other bricks and you should have a nice lovely wall. So as you guys can see, I'm just applying some mortar, spread it all out nice and level. You want to try and get your mortar as level as possible. Makes it a lot easier when you are ready to lay the brick. So just make sure you've got a good amount of mortar. If you need more, just keep adding if you need more, and take away if you've got too much. So what you're looking for is a nice sort of valley in the middle. You want to sort of spread it around any high spots, move it to the low spots. So take your time. Once you're happy with it, then you can move on. So also make sure you clean your trowel as you go along, scrape it on the bricks. So now you've got your brick, lump that on there. Any bits that drop off, that's why you got to wear gloves, use your hands, use your trowel, doesn't really matter. And you want to try now and start laying your brick. So what you're looking for is, you don't want your bricks too close or too far from the previous brick. Say about 30 mil or so. Give yourself a good space for the bricks to breathe. You don't want to get damp issues and stuff like that. So just give it a good tap, 5 or 6 taps in each corner. If you heat each corner the same amount of times, that sort of guarantees your bricks are going to be perfectly level. Just step back, lose your eyes, give it a good little squint. Remember, your eyes are your natural levels, so as long as it's level by eye, you should be good to go. And now once your brick is laid, so what you want to do now is you want to fill up sort of vertical joints first. Fill it in there nicely. As you can see, I'm just smoothing 2 bricks down. You want that sort of smooth transition from one brick to the other, and then you can sort of just remove any excess mortar that's hanging out. So what you're looking for now, once your brick is laid, you just want to fill in all the joints. Make sure all the joints are nice and filled, so you don't get any air gaps, which is how you lose heat in the building. So just make sure you fill them all up. Use your trowel, shape it all up nicely. As you can see, there's no air getting out of this building. And just scribe your lines in there. You want to sort of give it nice natural sort of look is what you're looking for. You don't want it to look like it was done by a robot, so just sort of give it a natural hand. And yeah, just tap any areas that you feel might need a little tap again. Just keep smoothing it up. Take your time, there's no rush to this. It's all about perfection, so just take your time. And once you're happy with it, then you can move off to your next brick. And that's pretty much it, guys. Job done. So yeah, as I said, replicate that for your next bricks, and just keep doing that, and you should have a lovely, beautiful wall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.